What's going on inside the washing machine? I think has high likelihood to be bad. Mystery noises it emits, I'm convinced that there's some evil magic to be had. Where does it go? Nobody knows. I don't know how it cleans my clothes up. A look inside might shine some light, but I'm too scared to get too close up. What happens secretly in washing machines should probably be studied, bet it's bad. I think of creatures who were forced to clean clothes, living inside of the home